Gagajoy. Gagajoy's cooking, and now we're sort of thinking about things for the holidays. And about 4 years ago, I made the nuggets, and everybody's wanting me to do it again, and I'm thinking, no, it's just too messy. So I saw a little girl on YouTube. She made it look like nothing. And I'm thinking, well, if she can do that, I can too. Maybe. So it is really a popular thing. And I have got 3 tablespoons of butter. And I melted it. Put it in the bottom of this. And then you add 2 bags of mini marshmallows. This is so good. I can't keep it. I should make it more often. And to that, you add 20 ounces of chocolate chips. And I don't know why this is a 24-ounce bag, but we'll do it almost all of it. I guess that would be pretty good. Put these in cookies or something later on. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put it in the microwave oven. We're going to, about every 30 seconds, I'll take it out and stir it. And it's probably going to take 2 minutes. Actually, it took 2.5 minutes. I put it on 30 seconds. Took it out every 30 seconds and stirred it. And that's to this stage. And this is my little fruits I'm going to put. Last time I put jelly drops. These are just a little candy drops. And I cut them in 2s and 4s in the colors I wanted. I happened to find them at Walmart in a box. Just stir it up. There you go. I'll put oil on my hands as much as I can. Okay. And you can see, okay, that took a baby. It took 2.5 minutes. So you can almost do it in 5 minutes, it looks like. Okay. At first, when I got this dish out, I'd go, no, it's too much. But it wasn't. So, and you have to put the paper in here. So, we're here. And we're at this spot. Put this on it and press it down. Now, the longest part is putting it in the refrigerator for overnight. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator overnight, let it get cold, then we'll just sort of cut in little squares. But that's one. That's almost, we'll go to step 1. And that wasn't bad, was it? let's see, it was it's almost 4 minutes. What can you do? That was good timing. We'll see you in the morning. Well, I decided to go ahead and put our candy in the freezer. Maybe I could get it done and get my dishes cleaned up. You know how that is for a while. So I put it in the freezer. It's been in there 2 hours. Just lift it out. Take this paper off. And this. It's pretty hard. I tell you, this has been so easy. It's just been too easy, sorry you could say. This will be made again in a couple of days. I like the one with walnuts in it instead of the candy drops. Now I put a little bit of oil on this because this is usually the hardest part is cutting it. Well, I think we'll have to have a bigger knife, wider knife. Yeah, I remember like cooking it was no problem. Let's try this knife. Remember we had 3 tablespoons of butter. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's perfect. And 2 bags of marshmallows, the small marshmallows, and 1 20-ounce, well, it was 24 this time, of the white chocolate chips. Took me 2.5 minutes to dissolve them in the oven. I mean, it was perfect. See your little. Now I can do this. Can't use that one. Put some more oil on it. Remember, I put it parchment paper in the dish, but you have to have that to lift it out. And look, you can cut these just about any size you want. See? Which I do like a smaller size. Well, I won't have to go through all this, but it was well worth it. I'll tell you right now. I had the other one was so sticky. You made it, well, you can go back and look at the other videos, but it still turns out perfect. But this one was more than simple. This actually would be a good one to use with the children because my bowl never got hot. This only gets, it was never hot because I touched it the whole time, and it was just perfect. So anyway, I have a few more things to go for Christmas or holidays or anytime you want to have them fixed. Anyway, take care of yourself and enjoy this time of year with your family. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. We have joy every day. Take care of yourself. See you soon.